Hello everyone. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, syllabus for the academic year 2020-21 from social science of 9th standard, some chapter and certain subunits has reduced. We will see which are those. First we will start with history. In the history, the first chapter is Christianity and Islam. In this, subunits are contribution of Christianity, Islam, teaching of Islam, contribution of Islam. And in this lesson, just briefly you have to study. Nothing has been deleted. And second chapter is medieval India and political transaction. In that, subunits are Rajput dynasties, the contribution of Rajputs, the arrival of Turks, political implication, Delhi Sultans, the contribution of Delhi Sultans. In that, the deleted subunits are the contribution of Delhi Sultans, the contribution of Rajputs, and lastly the arrival of Turks. This has deleted, and the reason you have already studied in 6th standard. Now the next third chapter is religious promoters and social reformers. In that, subunits are Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhavacharya and Basveshwara. Here nothing has deleted. You have to read the whole chapter. Now the fourth chapter, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom. In that, subunits, the dynasty which ruled Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom, the contribution of Vijayanagara empire to culture, the cultural achievements of the Bahmani kingdom. In that, the deleted topics are achievements and contribution of Sri Krishna Deva Raya, the cultural achievement of Bahmani kingdom, the contribution of Vijayanagara empire are deleted. Now the next fifth chapter is the Mughal and the Marathas. In that, the subunits are the Mughal rulers who ruled over North India, the rise of Maratha kingdom, Shivaji and Shivaji's administration, lastly the Peshwas. In that, the deleted things are the rise of Marathas kingdom, Shivaji and Shivaji's administration, the successor of Shivaji, the Peshwa. These are deleted, and the reason is that also you have studied already in 7th standard. Now the 6th chapter is Bhakti Panth. In that, the subunits are Ramananda, Chaitanya, Guru Nanak, the Bhakti Panth in Karnataka. Now in that, the main features of Bhakti Panth and the effects of Bhakti Panth are deleted. The reason also the same. You have already studied these chapters in 6th standard. Now the 7th chapter, Europe in the Middle Ages. In that, the decline of Roman Empire, feudalism, nature and forms of feudalism. And the deleted topics are effects of feudalism, the decline of feudalism. Now the next 8th chapter is modern Europe. In that, causes and effects of Renaissance, Industrial Revolution and its effects. And the deleted points are reasons for religious reformation and effects, Industrial Revolution are deleted. Now the 9th chapter is Revolution and Unification of the Nation. In that, American War of Independence, the French Revolution, Unification Movement of Italy, Unification of Germany are the subunits, and the deleted units are American War of Independence, the French Revolution, Unification Movements of Germany. These are deleted. Now we will see next about the political science. In that, 4 lessons are. In that, first lesson is our constitution. In that, the subunits are the preambles to the constitution, the silent features of the constitution, the fundamental rights, duties and directive principles of state. In that, the deleted points are the preambles to the constitution, the silent features of constitution, the fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. The reason is that these things also you have studied already in 6th standard. Now the second chapter is union government. In that, the subunits, legislative organs, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, executive organs. In that, the election of president, qualification to become president, the prime minister and his functions or powers. And the deleted topics or subunits are the election of president, qualification to become president, the prime minister, his functions and powers are deleted. The reason again the same. These things also you have studied earlier in 6th standard. Now the Third chapter is state government. In that the subunits are the nature of the state legislature, the legislative assembly and the legislative council, their members and functions. The second point is the appointment of chief minister and his functions. In that the nature of the state executive, the governor, his qualification and functions, and the appointment of the chief minister and the functions and powers are deleted. Again the reason is same. This also you have studied in 6th standard. Now the fourth chapter is judicial system. In that Supreme Court, High Court, People's Court or Lok Adalat. In that Supreme Courts, subordinate courts, revenue courts, people courts or local are reduced. Now the next chapter, fifth chapter is Indian election system. In that subunits are the structure of election commission, election procedure, public opinion, media and democracy. In that the deleted points are coalition government, public opinion, media and democracy are reduced. Now the sixth chapter, defense of the nation. In that subunits are Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, defense production, second line of defense, the armed forces and international peace. In that the deleted topics are recruitment to the army, second line of defense, the armed forces and international peace. The reason is that these things also you have studied earlier in 6th standard. Now the next chapter, 7th chapter is the factors which enable unity in diversity in our country. In that the factors which enable nation are deleted because the reason this also you have studied earlier. Now the next 8th lesson is integration. In that subunits are the factors which enable unity in diversity in our country, and the second point is the obstacles to achieve national integration. In that the deleted topics are the factors which enable national integration and other obstacles of achievement of national integration. These things are reduced and the reason also the same. This also you have studied earlier in 6th standard. Now the next part is sociology. In that you are having the 4 lessons. The first one is family. In that the subunits are meaning of family, characteristic of family, types of family, characteristic of joint family, and the deleted points are types of family and characteristic of joint family. These two are deleted. Now the second chapter is socialization. In that the subunits are meaning of socialization, functions of socialization, agencies of socialization, gender and socialization. In that the deleted topics are agencies of socialization, gender and socialization. These are deleted. Now the third chapter is social change. In that the subunits are meaning of social change, conflict, adjustment, cooperation, coexistence and competition, and deleted points are cooperation, coexistence and competition. Now the fourth chapter is community. In that the subunits are nomadic community and its characteristic, tribal community and its characteristic, rural community and its characteristic, lastly it's urban community and its characteristic. In that the deleted subunits are tribal community and its characteristic, rural community and its characteristic, and lastly urban community and its characteristic are deleted. Now we will see about the geographic next part. The first chapter in that our state Karnataka. In that the subunits are origin of the name, geographical location and size. Here nothing has deleted. You have to study the whole subunits. Now the second chapter is physiographic division of Karnataka. In that the subunits introduction, physical division of Karnataka. Here also nothing has deleted. You have to study the whole chapter. Now the third chapter is climate, soil, natural vegetation and animals of Karnataka, types of natural vegetation. In this, know about the seasonal change in the climate of Karnataka, types, distribution of soil in Karnataka, the types, distribution of natural vegetation and animals of Karnataka. In that the deleted subunits are the seasonal distribution of rainfall in Karnataka and its effects, type of natural vegetation, distribution of soil in Karnataka, the types and distribution of natural vegetation and animals of Karnataka is deleted. Now the fourth chapter is water resources of Karnataka. In that the subunits are different types of irrigation in Karnataka, the importance of hydroelectric power stations, the major dams of Karnataka, the disputes regarding sharing of water, and the importance of conserving of rivers. In subunits are the importance of hydroelectric power station, the major dams of Karnataka, the disputes regarding sharing of river waters, and the importance of conserving river water is deleted, and the reason is that you will study the same topics in 10th standard. Now the next lesson is fifth lesson, land resources of Karnataka. In that the subunits are land utilization, pattern of land utilization in Karnataka, agriculture, major crops of Karnataka, food crops and commercial crops. And the deleted subunits are agriculture, the major crops of Karnataka, food crops and commercial crops. Because the reason is that you will study this in 10th standard. Now the next 6th chapter is mineral resources, and the subunits are iron ore, manganese, bauxite and gold, and the deleted as bauxite and gold. The reason is that you will study the same, it is in 10th standard. Now the 7th chapter, transport. Here road transport, railway transport, air transport and water transport, and the deleted subunit is water transport. Now next 8th chapter is industries of Karnataka. In that the subunits are cotton textile industry, sugar industry, paper industry, cement industry, Bangalore, India's most important information technology center, industrial regions of Karnataka. In that the deleted topics are information technology, industries, India's most important information technology center, industrial regions of Karnataka. These are deleted. Now the 9th chapter is major tourist centers of Karnataka. In that the subunits are hill station of Karnataka, waterfalls of Karnataka, wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka. Here the whole chapter is deleted. Nothing you have to study from this chapter. Chapter number 9. And the 10th last chapter from geography is population of Karnataka. The subunits are the size, growth, extent and distribution of population, the density of population and literacy, the effects of overpopulation and important populated cities. In that the deleted subunits are the density of population and literacy, the effects of overpopulation and its important populated cities. These are deleted because you will study the same in 10th standard. Now the next part is economics. In that you are having the 4 lessons. The first one chapter is natural resources. Here the subunits are meaning and types of resources, scarcity of resources, conservation of resources, reducing our ecological footprint, what can you do to reduce your ecological footprint, and the deleted subtopics are conservation of resources, reducing our ecological footprint, what you can do to reduce your ecological footprints. Now the next second chapter is human resources of India. In that the subunits are people as resources, characteristic of India's population, demographic transitions, reproductive health and quality of population. In that the deleted topics are demographic transitions, reproductive health and the quality of population, because you will study this in 10th standard. Now the third chapter is poverty and hunger. The subunits are extent of poverty in India, causes of poverty in India, public distribution system, poverty alleviation programs. In that the deleted topics are hunger and food security, buffer stock, public distribution system, poverty alleviation programs are deleted. Now the fourth chapter is labor and employment. In that the subunits are importance of labor, structure of labor force in India, problems of unemployment in India, extent of unemployment in India, causes of unemployment in India, employment generation programs in India, Guaranteed Act, Manrega, gender dimension of labor. These are the points, and the deleted topics are Employment Generation Program in India, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega, Gender Dimension of Labor. These are deleted because you will study these in 10th standard. Now the business studies last part, in that you are having the 3 lessons. The first chapter is business study, management of business. In that the subunits are principle of management, functional areas of management, decision making process, important elements of decision making. And the reduced topics are decision making process, important elements of decision making. These are deleted. Now the second chapter is financial management. In that the subunits are role and importance of financial business organization, sources of finance to business organization, financial institution and capital markets. In that the deleted subunits are sources of finance to business organization, financial institutions, capital market are deleted. Now the third chapter last, accounting in business. Here in that the subunits are need for accounting, advantages of benefits of maintaining accounts, kinds of accounts, rules of debiting and crediting, different types of account, ledger, balancing of ledger accounts and financial accounts. This lesson is completely deleted. Here nothing you have to study. Here in from first lesson to last lesson, from all the 6 parts, only the 2 chapters are deleted. This one from geography, the major tourist center of Karnataka, and last one is from business studies, the second chapter, that is deleted completely. It is accounting in business. Only 2 chapters are deleted. Remaining you have to study the whole complete chapters. Only you have to skip the topics whatever has reduced. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.